Move on to the next question. Jake and Kim had a total of 3139 at first. After Jake spent $254 and Kim spent $185, Jake had 4 times as much money as Kim had left. How much money did Jake have at first? Okay, so over here basically, okay, you're gonna use 3139 minus 185 minus 254. That's all the amount of money they spent, right? And then you're gonna get 2700. Okay, and Jake had 4 times as much as Kim had left, which means Jake is 4 units, Kim is 1 unit. So 5 units left is 2700. 1 unit would be 2700 divided by 5. That would be 540. So Jake is 4 units, right? 540 times 4. That is how much would that be? 2160. 2160 plus how much he spent? 254. That'd be 2414. Answer is 2414. Okay, let's go back to the next question. Figure below shows a rectangular piece of paper with one of its corners folded. Find the area of the shaded triangle. This is half times breadth times base times height. Okay, not breadth, base, which is half times 4 times 4, and that is 8 cm squared. Let's write down cm. Okay, so answer is 8 cm square. Next part, length of the paper is 23 cm and the breadth is 8 cm. Okay, how many such triangles can we cut from the piece of paper? So 23 cm divided by 4 cm, I'm gonna get 5 remainder 3. 8 cm divided by 4 cm, I'm gonna get 2. So how many pieces of triangle I can get from here is 5 times 2. Maximum I can get out of this is 5, maximum I can get out of this is 2. And then I must times another 2 because this is the number of squares that I can cut, right? And in one square I can have 2 triangles, so I times 2 again. So the answer is 20. Okay, 20 triangles. Alright, next question. Ali and Ben had 213 stems. Ali and Clement had 270 stems. The ratio of the number of stems Ben had to the number of stems Clement had was 4:7. How many stems did Ali have? So Ali is to Ben is to Clement. Okay, that would be 4 is to Ben. Yes, unknown, right? Ben is sorry, Ali is the one that is unknown, so it's still Ali. Ben is 4, Clement is 7. Okay, when Ali plus 4 units is 213. When Ali plus 7 units is 270. Okay, what's the difference between this and this? Okay, the difference is 3 units, right? Ali minus Ali is 0. 7 units minus 4 units is 3 units. So let's look at this side now. What's the difference between this and this? You just minus, okay? That would be 57. 1 unit is 57. 3 units 57, so 1 unit is 57 divided by 3, okay, which is 19. How many stems did Ali have? So you have to substitute this into one of the equations. Let's choose this one, okay? So it's gonna be Ali plus 19 times 4 equal to 213. Okay, 19 times 4 is 76. Okay, so Ali equals to 213 minus 76. That's 137 stems. 137 stems. Okay, the figure below is made out of 2 squares. Find the area of the shaded part. Alright, so what you're gonna do is, this is a composite figure. This whole thing is made out of 1 square and another square. Okay, that's composite figure, which means if you want to find the area of the shaded figure, you use the total area minus area of, this is A, okay, minus A, minus this is B, minus B. Okay, so that is what? It's gonna be 15 times 15 because it's a square, right? Plus 7 times 7 because it's a square, right? Okay, minus A. A is going to be half. It's a diagonal here, so it's half times 15 times 15 minus B. B is half times, the base here is 15 plus 7, so it is 22 times the height 7. So the answer is going to be, okay, 15 times 15, that would be 225 plus 7 times 7, 49, minus, okay, 225 divided by 2, which is, why is it divided by 2? It's because this one, 15 times 15 times half. Times half is the same as divide by 2. So it's 112.5 minus, okay, 0.5 times 22 times 7, that would be 77. Okay, answer would be 225 plus 49 plus this. Answer would be 84.5 cm square. Okay. Okay, my pardon. This one you have to add in all the units. Alright. You can don't write the units in your workings, but if you don't write your units in your workings, you must make sure every single step doesn't have the units. If not, you'll be marked wrong. And then finally, then you write the units. You can do that. It's perfectly fine. But, okay, I wouldn't recommend that. Question 15. A baker bought some eggs. She used 1/3 of the eggs to bake tarts, 92 eggs to bake muffins, and 2 out of 3 of the remaining eggs to bake cupcakes. After that, she still had 36 eggs left. So how many eggs did the baker buy? Alright, which means this one is used to bake tarts, right? 1/3. Okay, so everything else is 2/3. Alright, So the 92 plus the 2 out of 3 of the remaining plus 36 is actually 2/3. 36, okay, times 3. Alright, still have this amount of x left. So 36 times 3 is the x remaining, that is 108. 108 plus the 92 eggs to make muffins, that would be 200. This is 2/3. 2/3, okay, of total. So 200 divided by 2 times 3, this would be the total, that's 300. Okay, answer is 300 eggs. If you're still unsure why I did this step over here, okay, it's because he said that 2 out of 3 of the remaining eggs to bake cupcakes, right? And still had 36 eggs left, which means what? 1/3 of the remaining, okay, is 36. Okay, that's why I times 3. Alright, so the remaining is 108. Remaining of what? Of eggs used after baking tarts and muffins. Okay, eggs left, sorry, after those that are taken away to bake tarts and bake muffins. Okay, so you have to add them all back and then you can find the answer.